Now, reasons for hair loss. People say, why am I losing hair? You could lose hair due to anemia, vitamin deficiencies, the medicines or drugs you are taking, crash dieting, stress levels, lack of sleep, smoking, hereditary, pollution, hair abuse, repeated straightening, perming, curling, repeatedly changing your color. People want their hair color to be brown one day, red in the evening for the party, green for the next day's party, golden yellow for a party 4 days later. You are going to hit your hair badly and cause damage to the hair. So, these can be roughly divided into internal factors and external factors. Internal factors are one that are changing the system directly. External or secondary factors which come from your lifestyle or the way you treat your hair or because of your secondary changes. There can be multiple causes for hair loss. The causes are vague, they are not quantifiable, they cannot be measured, there is no yardstick. If you say that stress is causing hair loss for a particular person, then in his office all people who are doing the same kind of work should have the same kind of hair loss, but they do not. Somebody's hair is sensitive, he is having hair loss, somebody else's hair is not sensitive, he is not having any hair loss. So, basically it boils down to one thing, how sensitive is your hair or how weak is your hair. The hair becomes further weak if it is having nutritional deficiencies. So, these causes cannot be directly identified, they cannot be measured and they cannot be correlated or connected to the hair loss by any kind of test. There is no test I can do and tell a person that this hair loss is being caused by your stress, or this hair loss is being caused by your change in water, or this hair loss is being caused by the influence of the pollution in the atmosphere. So, if you identify and treat one or two causes, there will be a few more which are waiting to hit the hair. And always there are 3 to 4 causes acting in tandem. Hair may not be falling because of a single cause. Once the hair is weak, there are so many causes willing to hit it. The same reasons do not affect all the persons. So, cause based treatment for hair loss does not work. Then what do you do? Hair loss is treated by strengthening the roots and protecting them from damage. You stimulate the follicles to grow, you strengthen the roots, you make them strong, you make them strong enough to stand for any cause. So, what does a growing cell in the body need? When your hair is shifting from a sleeping phase to growth phase, there is sudden rapid division of the cells that is required. What does a growing cell in the body need? It needs a toxin free environment. So, prevent accumulation of toxins by using antioxidants, protect the hair from damage. You provide the iron, calcium, amino acids which are the building blocks required to make the hair. Now, one resting phase is 4 months. So, improvement should be seen in half the cycle in 2 months and continues further as you follow the treatment.